All right, so I'm working on a vase. I took these tag off of this. You could do almost any kind of pot or vase you find. This is one I saw and I like the color scheme because they're gonna go with another craft I'm doing, I feel like. These complement really nicely, these turkeys, which were actually candle holders, but you'll see how I reutilize and use these for something else. All right, here we go. First thing, cut off your little stickers. I never pay full price for some of these things. I just found what looked like kind of like hay or like wheat tops. These are going in the turkeys. You can find actual wheat tops, or if you found wheat. But this is what I found, and then I found a bouquet that's kind of already together, the colors I was looking for, and I went with what was budget friendly. So these are kind of nice because they're already, flowers are picked for you, they're nice and big, they work in comparison to this. If you have smaller, go with a smaller flower. Your container is smaller, of course you need smaller items. Hobby Lobby has great stuff. Sometimes they have stuff put together, or any of your crafting type places will have some of that. But again, don't ever pay full price. This is a nice foam piece to put your stems in. Cutting board. So I'm gonna check and see what does that look like. It's definitely gonna have to be cut down and shaped, and I probably want it here. And I'm actually gonna just shove it in there. Okay. See if that's where I want it. Probably. I know I need to cut these because I bent them. So I bent them before I knew what I was doing. Might need wire cutters. All right, I got wire cutters. Product. And you can play with it if you want to move stuff around, shorten them. But there it is. There's Molly. She's seriously another project mom. But you play with the sizes, and I knew I needed to get this guy in there because it was a shorter stem. You can always attach a stem. But nice fall